Manufacturing cGMP material requires different expertise compared to manufacturing research material. There are important aspects to consider: a well-established quality management system, a robust supply chain, and most importantly, staff which have both a GMP mindset and many years of GMP manufacturing experience. Lonza meets all these requirements. This was why Lonza became one of the largest COVID-19 mRNA vaccine manufacturing companies in the world during the pandemic. As one of the world's leading cDMOs, Lonza has shown excellent financial stability and has invested continuously in its core area of expertise, which is GMP manufacturing. The fact that it is a Swiss-based company is also an advantage from the perspective of a higher level of independence from geopolitical challenges. Lonza has extensive experience with tech transfers into own manufacturing facilities. A general timeline and budget can be provided quickly. We are able to accommodate most processes without major development effort, as we have a variety of standard equipment available in our GMP facility. As an example, for LNP encapsulation, we are not limited to just one technology. We have both a microfluidic system and a T-mixer system available. And to top it off, we have recently acquired an exclusive license for the innovative FD-Mix technology.